Rational numbers. What are they? A rational number is a real number that can be written as a simple fraction or ratio.
The numbers on a number line are considered real, not imaginary. That's a big deal. Real numbers are made up of two different kinds. Got a rational and irrational on my mind. An irrational number has no patterns at all. Decimals keep going off the page it's gone off for. Rationals can be shown as a fraction or a decimal. That is why they are really cool. They sometimes are really hard to find, but not when you have them in your mind.
A fraction is a precise number.
A fraction is a part of a whole.
Fractions when I'm working with percentages and decimals.
Olivia thinks a fraction is maths.
A fraction is with a number on the top and a number on the bottom.
I think a fraction is a part of a whole number.
I think a fraction is a number on top of another number.
A fraction is part of a whole. A fraction is made up of a numerator and a denominator. In the example given, the numerator represents the number of slices taken from the pizza. The denominator represents the total number of equal parts in the pizza.
I use fractions in cooking.
I use fractions when I cut up a pizza.
I see fractions in my maths book.
See fractions in my class, my math book, cookbook.
In the example shown, 3/4 is being represented in 4 different ways. In each example, one whole has been broken up into 4 equal parts. This is shown by the denominator, the bottom number of the fraction. The numerator, the top number of the fraction, is 3. This shows that 3 out of the 4 parts are coloured in. Has anyone seen one of these before? These are called mixed numerals. A mixed numeral is made up of a whole number and a fractional part. This is shown by the 2 circles. One of the circles is completely coloured in. This represents the whole. The other circle has 3 out of 4 parts coloured in. This represents the fraction. As a class, see if you can work out which mixed numeral is shown. This fraction wall shows how different fractions can be placed on a number line from 0 to 1. As a class, see if you can represent one of the unit fractions, for example 1/4 or 1/3, and its multiples on a number line from 0 to 2. You will have to use mixed numerals. When you're finished, it looks something like this.
Fractions are rational numbers.